somewhere special today. We got a surprise behind the door here, so let's go see what it is. So guys, this is Zach.
Hello.
This is his car over here. Let's go into SEMA 2026.
Keep going.
Oops. It's gonna be the first,
I hope so.
first pickup truck, R34?
R34 by 4.
4x4, first R34. So I'll take Zach's handles and you guys can follow along. And Zach is the person doing the hard work on the Supra. So we're actually at his shop today. And this is here. But Zach is the man we trust with the conversion of the Supra top. Showed you guys here, it's just all this, the car's gonna get caged, there's gonna be a lot done, but this is just kind of the start. So this is where it's been for the last couple months, but man is working fast, so it's done firewall conversion, right-hand drive to left-hand drive, the upper lower rod supports is done, and he's working away. So I'm taking some last minute parts off this car to put on this, so gas tank, subframe, even though we have one in this, we want this one, gotta pull the rear diff, brakes, everything. This is not the work Zach typically does in here. This is not, yeah. Brakes off. Got a couple pieces of suspension unbolted. We just have to try to get to this last bolt here. This thing's dirty like you daily drive in the wintertime or something.
Yeah. I wash it like once a year.
Do you have snows for it? Yeah. How is it in the snow?
It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's not good, but it's not bad. That's about 1,000 horsepower, so it's not that good. 1,000 pounds.
I should just bought one of these. I want a 34 though. Like, that's the emergency brake. You can cut it. It's a cable. Yeah, it's right here. It's sitting here.
Does it come out of there or what? So I need something to cut that with.
You need something to cut it with?
I'll do this. I'll do the rest here. Just give me what I need.
Okay, so
I need this e-brake cable. I want to, should I just cut that?
I have new e-brake cables I already bought from Toyota.
I take out from the top. I think it unbolts from there.
I have brand new ones, so don't even worry about it.
You have the new e-brake?
Yeah, I bought brand new ones.
I already put side steps in his hand.
Yeah. Side steps or side snips? Side steps. Keep going. We got good. Keep going. Hold on. We got.
Mint epoxy floor.
You're right. I
You
tried
good?
to put weight on it with my leg. Air tire, air suspension setup, all that, racing seats.
Oh, nice.
This is the Kendrick cage setup.
Yeah, I made it with pool noodles to see the look of it. Sick. And then this is going to be capped off with the same shape as the quarter panel. So it's going to be like a built-in spoiler. Sorry about that. Structurally, that's going to be crazy. Structural is going to be a full roll cage.
Roll cage brings the structural
But
back.
from here forward, the structure is still there, but it's connecting the shock cars to this. Yeah. So I'm going to do that half cage. Gotcha. And I'm going to chop the back frame, do like a whole two chassis on that. So inside here's your spare tire. Yeah, spare tire.
Oh, so you already got it. I see. You got your vision right here. I see. Now, the more I look, I see it.
So the real question is, what color is it going to be?
It's a secret.
Midnight. Is it?
It's a secret. You'll see it SEMA 2026.
2026 SEMA.
There has to be some secrets left.
Yeah. I just want to hold 34 tail light tread. Never held one before.
It's a 33.
Is this
No,
a 33?
don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him.
That's 33?
Good.
It's actually smaller. Sorry. It's, your side.
Yeah. You look at that. That's ripped out of the carrier.
Like you said, so down by the balls kind of. Yeah. I don't even know about cars. What the fuck is this? Yeah.
It's good shape, huh?
It's just so different.
How did you pick this? How did you end up getting this wheel package even?
So I got 3-piece wheels. I reversed the face. So that's the inner barrel.
That's what I mean. Like, yo, there's so much customization.
And I basically built the body around the wheels. I figured out what
inner barrel
size
then.
tire I wanted, and then I built the wide body around the wheels.
Makes sense. You kind of have to go that route and then back the other way.
How many hours are in this car now?
I don't even know. I have no idea.
Too many. It's a lost track a long time ago, probably.